It's been just over 2 months since actor and comedian Tracy Morgan was critically injured in a 6-car pileup in New Jersey. And Monday morning, Morgan's attorney, Benedict Morelli, sat down with NBC's Matt Lauer to let everyone know his client still hasn't fully recovered.
He's still struggling.
Morelli also said any rumors about a leg amputation or that Morgan is in good condition are completely false. What we do know to be accurate is that after the June 7th crash, which happened when a Wal-Mart tractor-trailer collided with Morgan's limousine, Morgan spent time in the hospital before being transferred to a rehab facility a few weeks later. Page 6 reported Morgan, who broke several ribs and his leg in the crash, was back home in mid-July and noted he had told the press he was doing okay. Around that same time, Morgan and 2 other men in the limo who survived the crash, Morgan's assistant Jeffrey Milia and fellow comedian Artie Fuqua, sued Wal-Mart for negligence and said its truck driver had fallen asleep at the wheel when he crashed into their limo.
A criminal complaint says that driver, Kevin Roper, hadn't slept in a period in excess of 24 hours before the crash that injured 4 and killed Morgan's friend, comedian James McNair.
The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration has strict rules saying truck drivers for commercial vehicles can't drive more than 11 hours in a single workday, and workdays must be no longer than 14 hours. Although, according to NJ.com, the National Transportation Safety Board found Roper was only 13 hours and 32 minutes into his shift when he hit the limo. Still, Morelli says there's a very specific reason Roper had been awake for more than 24 hours that day. He says Roper had to drive more than 750 miles from his home in Jonesboro, Georgia, to Delaware to pick up that truck. At an average of 60 miles per hour, that means Roper would have been driving 12 and a half hours just to get to his job. Morelli explained that's the exact reason why his client is suing Wal-Mart and not Roper himself.
I'm going to show, if I have to in court, that that's the culture. By the way, he isn't the only driver who drives hundreds of miles to get to work.
Wal-Mart did release a statement saying it was cooperating with the investigation, and Roper has pleaded not guilty to charges of assault and vehicular homicide. For Newsy, I'm Zach Toombs.